Okay, first time he's outside. Oh, go bird. Ooh, it's a wee bit chilly. Hey, don't you dare try to fly, you little bastard. Got his harness. Sometimes it gets stuck in between his little legs. Just gotta make it nice and tight for him. Oh, this garden's dead there. Look at it. Look at it. You know, you don't give a shit, do you? Come here. You got it. Oh, some corn. Hello, birdie. They still have no names. I don't know what I should name them. I don't know what I should name you. Should I not name you? Not name? Strapped up to our watch. No escaping now. No escaping now, little birdie. Ooh. Mwah. You like that one. This is the park I always visit. This is his first time he's out. I'm not sure if it's a guy or a girl. I think it's a girl. He's extremely quiet unless he's like saving up his voice and stuff, you know, for I don't know what. Are you Nismo's future baby mama, the bird? Look at that mohawk though. Ah, smells like Mexico. Fire, burning. Look at this little mohawk in the wind. Oh, mwah. Take him to the dog park. Nowhere else to go. Shall we start a little bird park? Entering a dog park with a bird. Oh, look at your little face. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, you're a little bit ugly. You're a little bit ugly. You're a little bit ugly. Oh, the bird. Is that the bird?
I think so, yeah.
Look at this one.
Yeah, he's more of a people person.
Oh, you're so soft. You're so soft. Yeah. Is that bird? Yeah.
Feel free to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at KZ_production.